video we are going to see about sessions in Angular, how session is maintained and what is session and all. Sessions are mainly for tracking a particular user across the whole session, and to retain these sessions, these users identity and data should be replaced with the help of session only. For example, we have 10 users. Each user with which will log in and see their corresponding data. So another user will see their corresponding data. So likewise, all the users will see each and everyone's corresponding data. So this will be maintained by the session only. So we will get a session ID and a session name. Through this, we can uh, re-imitate the same person logins means we will give the same session data so that the saved data or the data which they are processed yet will be retained and given to the user. So it will be a very useful feature. I have given some theory about that one. Please go through it. As I already told you, it is maintained through the cookies. So through the cookies, it will get the information from the browser by reading the strings. I will explain with an example in the next video. Local storage.set item will set whatever and something will be stored in the whatever. So as we see another example, key comma value. So value will be set to the key. So here the key is item 1 and the value of some name will be added there. Next one, what we are doing now, we are saving this users data, getting this users data and storing into the local variable for retrieving the particular user's data from the server. So local storage dot get item of key, that particular key will bring the value and that value will fetch all the information about the applications. That's how it is working, and examples are available, so please go through it, and I will put a video on how the session is maintained, and I will give us a project video to you soon. Thanks team, thanks for the support.